Okay, we're taking shelter under thunder. Dropping into Tower 3 chute. Haven't skied it. Been riding the tram all day. It's on hold. So we're about to drop into some new terrain. Skied it last year. Should be somewhat familiar. Oh, is that good snow? Oh yeah. Oh, rocks under there. You gotta remember rocks. They're here. Woo! Tower 3 chute is always so good. I like to hug the right over here. Get some definition. Oh, is it filled in? Oh yeah, it is. Oh, look at that. Man, what a fun chute. God, I love Jackson Hole. Woo. Pew, pew. Woo. A little sloppy. Legs are getting tired. Cutting across. See what else we can get into out here. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, is that good stuff? Coming up. Nice, baby. Woo! First time hitting that. Was not able to get a shifty. Well, that's okay. Woo! Man. What fun terrain. Whew. Woo! Yeah, baby. God, I love these pillows in here. God, look at this. It is such a perfect zone. Oh, oh. Just such a fun zone. Right back to it. All right. Sublet still on hold. I have not left the tram line. We're staying up top. So here's the thunder. Tower 3 chute. So good. I'm going back. A little rushed. Didn't really get into a flow state. So we'll try and do that here. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. We'll outrun the slough. Speed it up, Jacob. Speed it up. Woo! Man, Tower 3 chute is one of my favorites. Oh, the legs are dead. Woo! Yeah, boy. Oh, what a dream. What a dream. Oh, what a dream this is. Coming up. Back off. A little knoll. Oh, I got the shifty that time. Let's see what we can keep flowing here. Back. Back. Oh. Woo! Man. Getting close to the bottom, near the lift. You can hear that snow change. Get a little crunch here as we get south. Woo! You got that one a little more prepared since I hit it last run. I knew what to expect. Was able to keep that flow state a little longer, a little smoother. That's what we're looking for. Harness those skills. It's all practice, baby.